It was one Saturday night when I encountered three strange beings. They were at my door, waiting to be brought in. There's nothing here to do today. I think I'll get up and go do something. Oh, that's the door. Better go get it. Hello. Who's at the... What's the matter with him? I guess he doesn't like us. Then maybe we should be going now. Guys, don't go. Who are you guys? Who are you? I'm Red. That's Bomb. And that's Chuck. What's up? So you guys are saying that you're the Angry Birds? Yep, that's us, the Angry Birds. We were overtaken by the pigs, and we were wondering if we could stay here. Oh, that's fine. Y'all can stay here, just as long as the pigs don't ambush us. Actually, we have one more crew member coming, and he's coming in right now. Whee! That's Icebird. Just one thing. Icebird likes ice, so give it to him by the daily. Alright guys, sure thing. Come on in. So, what's for dinner? Yeah, we'd really like to know. I'll get you guys some dinner. Just wait a second. Alright, here's some Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its. Never heard of that. Oh boy. Let us try. Gonna have to get used to this place. I'm more used to our nice cozy nest. Hey, have you guys heard of movies? Movies? Oh boy. Oh yay. What's a movie? Whatever. Yay. This popcorn is actually pretty good. Do tell. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna sit here. I might play piano for you guys. Whatever that is? Okay. Okay, Red, I'm gonna hang with you. Sure thing, Icebird. Okay, then. Let's see here. Angry Birds, Sorry guys, I'm a bit of a bad piano player. It's okay though.